happy Tuesday, everybody. Mark again here at Weatherman Plus. Now, I'm watching two areas for possible tropical development. We have this wave right here that's going towards the Eastern Caribbean. We need to watch this sneaky wave as it could form up later by the gyre. We also have this wave over here in the Eastern MDR that has raised up, even going towards that 70% chance. This is going to be the next named storm, of course. Still showing more than likely will not be an issue, but we do need to watch it because a lot of these do this wobble like this. So it starts headed north as it goes around this high pressure. Then when the other high pressure moves in, then it takes that westward wobble as well. So you do need to watch it down the road. So far, not showing any impacts by any models, but I'm also showing this sneaky little wave right here could be an issue as well. And we still have the storms coming in towards the southern U.S. from this tropical system in the eastern Pacific as that curves around and brings you those storms just like my last forecast. But I'm going to show you the latest information, what's going on in the tropics with these two waves. And you can see now it is at 70% chance in the next 7 days, even a 30% chance in the next 48 hours where a tropical depression could form while it moves generally west-northwest at 15 miles per hour. But I also think we will get a little yellow lemon over here in the Western Caribbean on that next tropical wave where it could go further towards the west or where it could do a little bit of a northwest turn. You also can see your chances just for a tropical depression. You do have what's happening in that wave in the MDR, but we also have this area over here going towards Central America where a tropical depression could form there as well, going all the way up towards that 70, even that 80% chance. Now that is in 10 days, so you can see literally as you go 7 to 8 days, this is where it starts moving towards the Lesser Antilles while this wave builds up by Central America. And as you go 9 and 10 days, this is where it starts filling up over here towards the Southern Gulf or into the Eastern Pacific, while this next wave moves towards the Lesser Antilles. So it's still showing 9 or 10 days before it goes towards the Lesser Antilles, but still showing it's going on that west-northwest path after that, and showing more likely will turn, everyone. We're seeing more of a turn versus that westward movement like last time. Now still showing it's a wide array, everyone. It could be further towards the south or further towards the north. A big difference in the models, what's going to happen just in the next 7 days. Well, we need to watch the other wave as well. Right now, it's a group of disorganized thunderstorms, but as it goes towards these warmer waters, this is where it can start getting itself together and quickly. And I don't need to keep reminding you about the deep ocean heat. You can see how strong it is, especially in the Caribbean. So any wave that starts becoming organized in there will pose a big threat. So I'm going to show you what the latest deterministic models is showing. Then I'm going to show you what the ensembles is seeing, everybody. Now you can see right here, literally in 7 days with the European, showing that tropical wave in the MDR that we're looking at would be further towards the southern side. Now, when you go by GFS in 7 days, it's already way up here to the north and it's already strengthening. So that is a big difference on where this is going to be. So for comparison reasons, you can see also with the Canadian, it is green further north with the GFS. And when you go by the icon, it's agreeing in the next 5 days, it will strengthen up and be something strong. Now going past 7 days, as you all know, this does change once you go past 5 days, showing with the European that it will get itself together right before the Lesser Antilles, maybe bring some impacts towards the Leeward Islands as it goes further towards the north. And then it's starting to see that break in the high pressure like the GFS has seen a long time ago, and travel that further around while we get a trough of more shear and more storms pushing that towards the east. Now that is literally past 10 days, but this right here has been trending over and over. And you can see the latest run with GFS as well.